and open the first sell position using USD PHP currency pair. Why did we open it? Firstly, because as you can see, we're moving in the declining channel right now without any even short-term upgoing corrections. Now, we are going to hit the second time the support line zone, and according to the divergence in the volume of the volumes at the MACD oscillator, I'm quite sure that we're highly likely to break through the support line zone right now. So that's why this was the reason why we opened sell position here. So the first trade is closed, and it's closed with profit. We have $284 on the account right now. Now we're opening sell position here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, thanks God. It was quite risky, but anyway, we did it. We have gained money and we are in profit in this trade. Okay, my friends, let's proceed further. According to this chart, firstly, let me change our investment to $400 and open buy position here. Because firstly, because of the supertrend data, we're in the buy zone, and MACD is telling us absolutely the same because the green line is strictly above the red line. Anyway, we're in profit, this trade is closed, and now we're ready to proceed further. Give me several seconds for this, please. Here, I would like to add the trend line for you to show the upgoing channel. It's done. Now you can clearly see the trade receiving the pullback reaction from the support line zone, which is the bottom line of the upgoing channel. Now I have drawn for you the upper edge of the upgoing channel. Let me change your investment to $650 and open buy position, expecting the continuation of the current growth. Because we have already touched the bottom line of the upgoing channel, we started receiving the pullback reaction, and now we're trying to hit the upper edge of the same channel. Done. It's also closed with profit. We have $1,421 on the account right now. And my friends, while you're watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private teacher, where you'll get best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you'll get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Okay. While I was talking, we have already opened CHF GPI currency pair. Sellers on the market right now, so that's why we're highly likely to push the price lower, and actually I was right. We closed this trade with profit, but to be honest, it was quite risky. Firstly, I have changed our investment to $1,200, and now we have opened buy position and wasting all of this money. As you can see, according to this chart, the price was stopped by the strong support line zone. We started moving in the consolidation zone, and then from here we are ready to start showing the upgoing correction. In other words, growth, and both supertrend and MACD are telling us that we're in the buy zone right now, so that's why we have opened correctly this trade. That's why we have opened it. Yeah, it's close. We have $3,269 on the account, and this looks really amazing, my friends. We have turned our initial deposit of just $148 in around 3,300 bucks just within 7 minutes. If you want to have the same kind of results, it's absolutely possible, and all you need for this is just right now open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get all educational materials that will help you to learn how to trade like this. Don't waste your time, do this right now. See you all. Bye bye.